What's up, folks? Welcome back to my channel where we review the latest and greatest tools and services for online marketing. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that's been getting a lot of buzz lately: solo ads. And to help us navigate this space, we're going to be taking a closer look at Udimi, one of the most popular solo ads marketplaces out there. And since we're going to be talking about a platform that rhymes with Udimi, you better believe I'm feeling extra punny today. So sit back, relax, and get ready to find out everything you need to know about Udimi and whether it's the right platform for your business. Okay, let's start by answering the big question: what are solo ads? Solo ads are like Tinder dates for your email list. You pay someone to send your promotional message to their email list, hoping that their subscribers will swipe right on your offer. Sounds easy, right? Well, it can be a bit tricky, just like online dating. The reason for this is that not all email lists are created equal. Some lists may be filled with inactive subscribers, while others may not be your target audience. And let's be real, you don't want to waste your time and money on a dead-end email list like a bad Tinder match. That's why you need a platform like Udimi, which acts as a wingman between you and the email list owner. But what makes Udimi stand out from other solo ads marketplaces? Well, for starters, they have a really user-friendly interface that's as easy to use as swiping right on a hot prospect. They also have a robust rating system that lets you see the feedback from other buyers and ensures that you're only working with the best providers. In other words, you don't have to worry about getting catfished by a shady solo ad provider. Another great thing about Udimi is that they offer a lot of transparency, which is more than you can say for some people on Tinder. You can see the provider's statistics, including the number of clicks, opt-ins, and sales, and you can even track your own results with their built-in tracking system. That way, you can make sure that you're getting the results you paid for, unlike some of my Tinder dates. But let's be real, Udimi isn't perfect. One of the main drawbacks is that the pricing can be a bit on the high side, especially if you're just starting out. Plus, there's always the risk that your solo ad won't perform as well as you hoped. That's just the nature of the game, but hey, that's also the nature of dating. So, is Udimi worth it? Well, that depends on your business needs and goals, just like how finding the right partner depends on your preferences and goals. If you're looking to quickly build your email list or drive more traffic to your website, then Udimi can definitely help you do that. Just be prepared to do your research, set a budget, and test out a few providers before finding the right fit, just like how you would go on a few dates before finding the right one. And that's it for our Udimi solo ads review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tutorials. And if you have any funny Tinder stories or solo ad experiences, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and swipe right on Udimi. Almost forgot. Use our link to sign up for Udimi for free and we will provide you with contacts of top 5 soloed providers on Udimi. Link is in the description below and also in the first comment to this video.